The polar regions of Mars. There is considerable evidence that an enormous inventory of water and carbon dioxide is stored at the polar regions of Mars. The most obvious storage site is in its polar ice caps, though they only contain a small portion of the total inventory of Mars. Most evidence suggests that an enormous reservoir of ground ice is locked up in the regolith at high latitudes. To summarize the general view of most Mars scientists, evidence suggests that Mars is water-rich and may store the equivalent of a global ocean of water of about 0.5 to 1 kilometers deep as ground ice and groundwater within its crust. On Mars, winter temperatures fall below the frost point of both water and carbon dioxide above about 80 degrees latitude. The cold temperatures allow carbon dioxide and water vapor from the atmosphere to condense on the Martian surface. Above about 30 degrees latitude, average surface temperatures are too warm for surface frost, but are low enough for ground ice to be stable. A huge amount of volatile components must also be trapped on mineral grains. Under warm, wet conditions, some mineral grains readily absorb volatiles either on their surfaces or by locking into their structures. Releasing these volatiles back into the Martian atmosphere is difficult and requires unusual conditions. In the lower latitudes, conditions are very different. Surface and subsurface temperatures are always too warm for water ice or carbon dioxide to be stable. Sublimation and diffusion processes quickly desiccate the upper part of the Martian regolith in this region, leaving it dry down to a depth of several hundred meters. Have a great day.